Alright, what's up guys? We're out here on the river. I finally got my truck, so I was able to bring my kayak down. Ain't the best fishing kayak, but I'll be getting a new one soon. And it's kind of a muddy little river, but it's kind of underrated. There's quite a few big fish in here, so we're gonna go ahead and go down. I'm just gonna fish from the bank right here first, hit all these laydowns. I'm gonna go down this way, probably fish for an hour and a half or so, and then come back up and be throwing I'll throw some of the whopper plopper around and a little black bitsy bug jig. But let's see what we can catch today. Finally got a truck, I'm out on the river. It's gonna be a good day. Stay tuned guys. All right, let's do this first cast, see what happens. Finally able to get out on a little bit bigger body of water. I don't have to go out on a creek because I'm able to get my kayak out. Alright guys, just had my first bite. It wasn't very big, but it was a bite nonetheless. And I haven't made it but probably 30 yards down the river, so that's pretty good. No idea if it's a smallmouth. That's what I'm going for, but I see some guard jumping up ahead of me. This water is all pretty still, so I don't know how much action we're gonna get through here. But I'm gonna fish around here, fish around these bridge pilings up here on the left a little bit, and then I'm probably just gonna paddle down to where I know there's some riffles down there, and there should be some fish stacked in there. I'm gonna park this kayak right here, and I might have a hell of a time getting back, but that's all right. Oh, I think I just had a bite though, guys. Right over there, the current breaks and there's a big eddy. I'm gonna cast right in it, see what happens. Not too sure, guys. I'm not real sure what I should do here. There's a fish though. Maybe now I know what I should do. Bring him in here. What I got, a little smallie, guys. A little smallie, sitting right in that eddy like I thought. Little baby. Alright guys, I might have to go get the old kayak, bring her down. So let me try to catch one or two more. There's another one, guys. Another little bitty guy. Alright, if you guys ever have like really fast current and all of a sudden that current stops, it makes a little eddy, that's where you're gonna find them. Guys, we made it. I didn't really plan on going this far, but after seeing how juicy this looked, I couldn't help it. And I put a new trailer on too. Here, let me show you real quick. Put a little black and blue crawl on as my trailer. And get him all snugged up there. Okay. So we're ready to rock now. Can't believe there's nothing by this rock. Oh, there is. I knew there had to be something by it. Okay. A little bitty guy. Man, I ought to catch some here. Oh my God. That's what I've been waiting for all day, guys. Just missed him. He bit it again. I got him that time. There we go, guys. Oh, there we go, guys. This is what we've been waiting for. Little chunky dude. Alright, how about that, guys? Nice little chunky bass. There he goes. That was crazy. He hit that thing probably 4 times on the way in. I missed him that first time. I knew this had to be the spot. So if you find some rocks and some current in this river, I think that's where the bigger ones are. If you guys see, I mean, you can see this river, it ain't moving very much. But right through here, the river gets a little narrow around this corner. There's a lot more current coming through right here than most of the river. So that's why there should be some more smallmouth hanging out and around here. Especially whenever it starts getting dark and whenever it's real hot out, smallmouth will start feeding. I could have came through and fished right by these earlier. They just weren't biting as good because that sun was up and it's hotter balls today. Another good one, guys. Oh, this one's even bigger. Oh. Oh. How about that, guys? How about, ow. How about that for a river smallie? That's a good river smallie there. I get the phone back out for this one. Oh yeah, it's a chunky one. Alright guys, look at that. That's a nice 16, 17 incher probably. There he goes, back to the depths. Back to the depths where he came from. Whew. Alright guys, let's see if we can get one more big one. It's gonna get dark on me, but that's alright. I just seen a big fish blow up on some bait over there. Another little guy. Trying to make my way back as quick as I can, but I can't help but fish, guys. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for tonight. All those little bitty ones and on the way back up. I know where I thought that big one would be. I ended up catching those two real nice ones. I could fish all this stuff still, but as you can tell, I probably can't see me that well. It's pretty dark. Nothing on the clopper besides that little blue one. I thought we were fish hitting it. But that jig was doing some work there at the end. I think these fish just weren't biting too good until that sun went down. I think that's what the deal was, but I'm going to be doing some more river videos, especially now because it's starting to get a little cooler out. Hopefully soon all these fish will be moving out of the creeks and moving up here to the river, or down here to the river. And this ain't a river of normal fish either, but if I catch these two big ones, I'll be fishing again. But that's going to do it for tonight, guys. So hope you enjoyed that. It was something a little different. On the river instead of the creeks, now that I got the truck. But that'll do it for tonight, guys. See ya.